Hi everyone, my name is Mehakpreet and I have done my placement at Ravra Carlingview Manor and it is located in Ottawa. I have searched from Google like what is the where the long-term care which is nearby my place, and then I email them and call their location and for their approval for the placement. And when I got placement in Ravra, they have their requirement were like I should be fully vaccinated. So I have my two dose earlier, and I take my booster dose and have to do my police verification and TB test and blood test, and also other like tetanus injection, hepatitis B vaccinations. So there are 5 goals of placements. First is plan. Like in the long-term care, menus are the most important because according to the resident health, like according to their likes and dislikes also. And second is manage. In this, the food handling and preparation is should be in their best practices and should be like according to the rules and regulations how we handle the food, because it will affect the health of residents. Sport. All we should all sport each other while doing work, so to work professionally and ethically. Deliver. Customer service should be well organized with their standards and objectives. Manage. Inventory and supplies of goods and services. Then is success. What I how I do in my placement. I like I learned many things like learn like different menus according to their diet, eating habits, like puree or minced diet. I have a great communication skill by involving with residents and staff and gain confidence. And also I know about the different diets like mechanical alter diet, therapeutic diet, regular diet, how do they look, how, and I also like know how to work under dietary management. My manager sometimes also take me with the meetings and ask me to observe everything how the things is done under the management, and by seeing this I gain a lot of confidence how they work, how they manage all the things. What are the highlights of my placement? I with my supervisor always stock check and uh, always place my our order on Cisco for upcoming menus, and we all do these things on Monday and on Thursday. Every item is checked in storage area, and then after marking everything, like which thing is less or which thing we don't have, we like check the menu then, and according to that we place the orders. And also I do MDS every day, in which like the history of every residence is given, and by seeing the MDS which is filled by PSWs, the diet is made. Like resident who cannot swallow the food, they take mechanically altered diet, and sometimes they don't have to, they like have soft diet. Responsibilities. I have I have to do like daily cleaning audits, like go to the floors, and there are the kitchens in every floor. I have to check all the things that are the dietary aids working there are cleaning everything, they are maintaining every rules. And I have to do MTS daily, and sometimes I have if there's a short of staff, I have to help the dietary aid. Responsibilities. uh, uh I also do like snack audit in afternoon also, and always see how the PSWs who are assistant, who are not independent of eating, how they like feed them, like having eye to eye contact, the tables are clean, and all these things. and I was given a sheet in which all the things, rules and regulation are written, and I have to tick mark if I have to like comment like these things should be done like this, and that way I have to comment on that. I miss opportunities like I do not do payrolls. Payrolls are like which are done after like placing rows, and the bills we have to manage, which are also under the management because my placement was over. So I miss opportunity how to involve with the residents more while talking and all these things. I miss that thing. What is the influence of placement on my decision? By doing placement in long-term care, my interest in the medical field has increased. Like I think that the job opportunities in this field is more, like there are so many dietary um so many field long-term cares and retirements home are there, and each every homes there are a dietary department. So I think they are most they are the job opportunities are more in this field. Recommendation, I would recommend like always make daily reports. This will help you to remember what we are learning when we go through it, and ask as many questions from supervisor and manager. This will like it will have a positive impact, and also we gain lot and lot knowledge, which is very helpful for our future. My personal viewpoint is like never stop learning and hesitate to ask questions to our seniors, and absorb everything deeply and keenly, and try to involve in things which are happening in workplace and do things practically, and that will sharpen your skills. Thank you so much.